Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial. My name is Khalil, and in today's video I will walk you through the steps on how to reset your Moto G Stylus 5G 2023 model. The very first steps we would need to do is force shut down the device. As you see, it does have a passcode. It won't let you power off unless holding these two buttons, the power and the volume up key. You want to press these two buttons for about 5 seconds. It will force shut off the device. Then you want to do the next step quickly before the phone turns back on. Press and hold. Once the phone completely shuts off, you want to release all the buttons and press the volume down key really quick. Press and keep holding. Then you will get to the screen right here. You want to scroll down to where it says factory mode. Then you want to press the power key to confirm. The device will restart. Then a no command screen will appear. Once you get to the no command screen, there are other two buttons you would need. The power, you want to press and hold, then press the volume up key. This will appear right here. Then you can scroll down to where it says wipe data factory reset. Press the power key to confirm. Then you want to scroll down to the second option, as you see right here. Press the power key again. Then it's going to wipe and delete everything on the device. Once that step is done, the restart option will be the very first option above. You can go ahead and press the power key to confirm and restart it. This is it guys. This is the end of my video for the day. If you found this video helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for your support.